Guys, you might think, if I have bigger numbers, can I jump? Say if I say add 1000 to 1000. So you do not have to write all 1000 numbers. All you have to do is say 0, say 1000, say 2000. 1000, jump, jump. What did I tell you? It is important that the gap is always equal. That is the main thing over here. What is the gap between 1000 and 0? It is 1000. And what is the gap between 2000 and 1000? It is still 1000. This is important. Your number line can be in any form. You can write whatever numbers, but your gap should always be the same. Is it clear, guys? Do you understand why I got the gap concept? Why I got in the jumping concept? We have to understand the number line. Okay. Now, let me put across the first question on screen. I'm going to give you guys 2.5 to 3 minutes. Whoever gets the answer can type in the answer. Okay. You have options. You can either type in the option or the answer directly. Okay. Any doubts before we start? Great. This is the question, guys. You have to think over here. You do not have to use the number line. All you have to do is you have to think.
Sir, I have a doubt in the question.
Yes.
If 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is,
Yes.
then you gave a dash and 10.
Yeah.
That I didn't understand what's the meaning.
That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 up to 10. That is what he's trying to say. Instead of writing all the numbers, he just put dots over here. Similarly, it says 16 plus 32 plus 48 dot 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 until 160. Is it clear now?
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Haripriya.
The answer is 880, sir.
Good, good. I'm waiting for others. 880 is the right answer. Even Satyam was right. And anyone else? I'm waiting for answers. 880. Good, good, good. Great, guys. 880 is the right answer. Let's start discussing in half a minute. Let's wait for the others to type in. This is what he was given, right? Now,
Sir, you gave after then, no, sir, that is 16 table.
pardon?
You gave after, you gave 1 plus, that you gave, no, sir. That after that you give then and you give one question, no, sir. That is 16 table.
Right, right. It is 16 table. Good, correct. So now, this is what was given in the question, correct? Now, what did he ask? He asked us 16 plus 32 plus 48 dot 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 plus 160 is equal to what? Now, what were we supposed to do? If I take 16 common, like Haripriya said, it is the table. I can write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. What is this, guys? This is 16 plus 32 plus 48 plus 64 plus 80 dot 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 plus 160. Isn't it the same thing, guys? Aren't these two the same? It was just about making your problem easier. Instead of adding 16, 32, 48 until 160, it is easier to add 1 to 10, and the answer to that was already given over here. Is this clear, guys? Please type in if it was clear. Look at what was done. Neha, what is the doubt, Neha?
No, sir, I didn't understand the explanation what you gave for that. I understood that it's the 16th table what was going on till 160. Then what something else you told? No, that I didn't understand.
Correct. Now let me put it in a different way. 16 table is what she says. What is 16 into 1? 16. What is 16 into 2? 32. What is 16 into 3? 48. 16 into 4? 64. Similarly, 16 into 10 is 160. Is it clear till here, guys? Is this clear? Let me break down my explanation even more. Now, what did he say? He wants us to add 16 plus 32 plus 48 plus 64 till 160. Adding these numbers takes a lot of time. But say I take 16 common from all these numbers. What is done now? 1. 16 into 1 is 16. Plus 2. 16 into 2 is 32. Plus 3. 16 into 3 is 48. Plus 4. 16 into 4 is 64. Plus 5. 16 into 5 is 80. Is this clear? He did the same thing till 10 because our last number was 160 that was to be added. Is it clear now? He just wrote the table in a simpler form so that instead of adding 16, 32, 48 and taking a lot of time, we just added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This solution to which the answer to which was already given over here. Is it clear now, guys? Yes. So now basically what did he do? 16 was common, right? 16 was outside and 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 until 10 is given as 55. This is nothing else but 16 into 55. Are you guys aware of this? A into B is A into B. Are you aware of this? Are you aware of the multiplication when they're in brackets? Yes or no? No. Okay. Okay. Let me come to that. Don't worry. So basically 16 into 55 gave us the answer 880. Is this clear? I'll explain this property right now. Don't worry about it. Is the first question clear, guys? Did you understand how instead of adding 16, 32, 48, 64, 80? Yes, Ashika, you want to say something? Please speak. Okay. Instead of adding such huge numbers, we were able to add simpler numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 until 10 and multiply it, right? Okay. Now, let's look at that property that I was telling you guys about. Say, I have a number A in brackets and I have a number B. Brackets represent multiplication. That is why this is nothing else but A into B. That is what I did. Say I write 5 and 10. The answer is nothing but 5 into 10, which is 50. Is it clear, guys? Is this clear? This is basically a small property in which numbers are given in brackets. Say I have 4 and I have 3. What is it? It is nothing else but 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. Is it clear, guys? Yeah. That is what I used over there. Can we move on to the next question? Any doubts in the first question? Yes, you guys know this, but yes. It is as simple as that. But now, before I move on, what if I say A plus B into C? Now, remember each term has to be multiplied with the other. That means A has to be multiplied with C. that is A into C plus B into C. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear?
Sir, we can add A plus B and also multiply it with.
Correct, good, exactly. So if I say 1 plus 4 into 5, you can also add and multiply. That is 5 into 5. You get the same answer, 25. Is it clear, guys?